Welcome. Whatever today brought you, it ends here, in this moment. We unwind together every evening on this channel. Feel free to subscribe and make this part of your routine. Now, find the position that feels most comfortable. If you're sitting, let your back rest against something. If you're lying down, let your arms fall to your sides and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and let it out through your mouth with a sigh. Once more, breathe in and let go. Let your shoulders drop with the breath. One last time. In, hold, and release completely. Now think about your day. From the moment you woke up until right now, notice how much you've done. You talked, you walked, you thought, you solved, you carried. Your body worked for you all day long. Now it's time to thank it. With every breath out, you release a piece of the day. The things you finished, let them go. The things you didn't finish, let those go too. They belong to tomorrow, and tomorrow will arrive with its own energy. Release the words that were spoken and the words you never got to say. Right now, you have only one task: to do nothing at all. And you're doing it perfectly. Check in with your shoulders. If there's any tension still hiding there, let your breath melt it away. Soften your jaw, smooth out your forehead, let the space between your eyebrows open. The day is done. You are here, and this moment is entirely yours. Stay here as long as you like. When you're ready, you can open your eyes or carry this calm with you into your evening. Good evening.